All right, so they're on their way out. It's pretty obvious, but they're leaning the wrong direction. I think we can pull this upper one over first. Oh man. So I don't know how, but my line got all greasy. Just in a weird spot, I guess. In a bag in the back. Truck. That's why they call it fishing and not catching. There we go. That's it right there. I'm just gonna feed a rope up through there. What's in my rope bag? Leave this set up a lot of the time. Make it easier to get your rigging. I'm going to send that up without the carabiner because there's some weird little branches up there that might get caught. Rope is so greasy. That is definitely a high enough vantage point. I didn't show it, but it took me a long time to untangle that rope earlier. Trying to bring it right here. This is perfect right here. That looks good. Yeah, I'm gonna start cutting in a second. You guys just, once I get that face in it, you guys start putting some pressure. Good old 225i with the big boy battery. Start putting some pressure on it. Don't wrap it around your hand. There you go. Just start walking backwards, putting some pressure until you get some pressure on it. Good job.
As soon as these come down, the first thing you want to do is untie this part, and that way keeps the ropes out of there. Will you pull from where your rope was to get this out? back. All right, there you go. Good job.
A lot of people ask why we use these, but it's like, why not put all your wear and tear on a $225 saw? It lasts you a year.
Just makes a lot of sense. This one's got a lot of lean. And we got a fence line over here, so I'm probably gonna pull it out too. So no big deal. Get that set up.
Job, Cherry. This one squeeze through.
Hey Isaiah, you ready? I'm gonna grab onto this rope. I've already got it set up. Let me cut the face, and then put some pressure on it, and I'll do the back cut.
Okay.
Go ahead. Yep, that'll get it. So all these red bays are dying because they've got a boring beetle that brings a fungus called laurel wilt, and it kills everything in the laurel family. Bays are included, sassafras. Put that rope out of there before it gets cut. Spice bush can die from it, pretty much anything even remotely related, and a couple of vines. It looks like the laurel version of hypoxylon canker. Probably not though.
Almost done.
Ooh, what's that? Oh, dang. Did not see that. Dummy. Sharpen tool.
That branch was dead. Time to sharpen it. Look at this one. See that? Shininess, really chunky. Now, I would do the rakers, but this is a new chain, you can tell, and this is the first time it's been sharpened, so they don't need to be done. So we're good to go. But maybe 3 more sharpenings, and then I'll probably do the rakers a little bit. Customers out there. Oh yeah.
Fun side note for all of the bay trees, if it's a true bay, there is a psychoactive chemical inside the leaves. All you have to do is burn it and breathe in a little bit of the smoke, and it will calm you down really quickly, which is pretty interesting, but it won't make you feel any kind of high, which is nice for people that don't want to be inebriated but like the calming effects. Pretty interesting.